Hi everyone, in this video we will calculate compound interest. A loan is paid off in 10 years with a total of $141,000. It had a 3.7% interest rate that compounded monthly. What was the principal rounded to the nearest dollar? The first thing we need to do is write down our compound interest formula. This is the amount final of T equals the principal times the quantity 1 plus r over n, r being the rate, n being the number of times compounded in 1 year, raised to the n, same n as before, times t, the time in years. We know that the loan was paid off in 10 years, and this is t, time in years, here. We have a total, or the final amount, of $141,000. This is the final amount. We also have an interest rate of 3.7%, but to calculate, we always change a percent to the decimal by moving the decimal 2 place values to the left, making this 0.037. And this is the interest rate, so it goes here. And we were told that this was compounded monthly, meaning 12 times in a year. And this is the number of times in a year, thus the n for number, and we can put all of these into our equation. This gives us $141,000 equals, we weren't given the principal. We are looking for that as it is asked for our final question. The principal times the quantity of 1 plus r was given to us of 3.7% changed to the decimal 0.037. Divided by the number of times per year, and it was monthly, so 12, and raising this to the 12 times. T is the number of time, or the time in years, and we were given 10 years. Now we need to solve for P. This means to isolate P. Because P is being multiplied to all of this, we'll just divide both sides by all of that. So we end up with dividing by 1 plus it cancels on the right side, leaving us with just the principal, which is what we're looking for. So to type this into a graphing calculator, we will write out 141,000 and divide by, and we want to make sure everything in that bottom is in the denominator. So we'll start out with a parenthesis that starts out everything from the denominator. Now we're going to start with another parenthesis that puts our parentheses here, 1 plus 0.037 divided by 12, close this set of parentheses for just that portion. And then we need to raise this to the exponent and making sure that the exponent is in parentheses so that 12 times 10 are both in the exponent. And then we will close the parentheses, making sure all of that we've put down there goes in the denominator. When we press enter, we'll end up with the number $97,449. And it asked us to round to the nearest dollar, and since we've ended at the dollar, we're good to go. So this is our answer, and we're all done.